So you've been looking for an affiliate marketing course to show you how to make money with affiliate marketing. But in this video, I'm going to share with you something that you must know about all affiliate marketing courses. So there are tons of affiliate marketing courses available out there. They damn near come out every week. It's something new, right? Then they range in all kinds of prices, anywhere from $37 to $1,000. They have all sorts of courses out there teaching you how to make money with affiliate marketing. But listen, all right, I'm gonna keep it real with you. All of these courses, no matter which one you get, they're going to teach you how to get traffic to whatever it is you're promoting. And you might be thinking, man, come on, man, obviously I know that. But there's a point to this video, and I'm going to share it with you in a second. But any course that you get, that you buy, even a free course, right? They're going to ultimately teach you how to get traffic to offers. All right. And there's only going to be two ways they're going to talk about, right? They're going to talk about free ways to get traffic to your offers, and they're going to talk about paid ways. Now, in most cases, most people do not want to start affiliate marketing with paid advertisement because, they're just getting started. They might not have any sort of budget. But if you do have some money set aside for affiliate marketing, then yes, you can start with paid advertisement. But most people like to start with free methods, especially after buying a course. So here's the thing, when it comes to generating free traffic to your offers, there's only so many places that they're going to teach you where to go, right? Where they're going to show you where to go. And most likely they're going to show you how to market on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and even free classified sites, right? That's all these courses, they're going to, and Pinterest, don't forget Pinterest, that's popular. But 99.9% of the time, they're going to be talking about, especially with free methods, they're going to be talking about using these platforms to generate commissions, right? So the point of this video is, if you are one of those people who want to get in affiliate marketing and make money online with affiliate marketing, but you have no desire to promote, right? Or get on Facebook and join groups and or make TikTok videos or Instagram reels or YouTube videos. There's no course out there that's going to help you, right? Any course you get, you're going to be wasting your money, right? And that's a fact. And the only reason I'm talking about this because I've seen so many people, even people on my email list, people that message me, right, about affiliate marketing, like different offers that I promote, different systems I talk about. And ultimately, it comes to the conclusion like they want to get in affiliate marketing, they want to make money. But then when I tell them, what they got to do or what the course is about, they're like, yeah, but I don't really want to do, YouTube. I don't really want to be on Facebook. I'm not into Instagram. Or I definitely don't want to do TikTok. So I'm thinking, well, damn, how are you expecting to make money with affiliate marketing? Because it's not just about being in to make money online. It's just like whatever niche you're in. It could be golf. It could be sports betting. Whatever it is, you're going to have to get traffic to your offer. And if you're doing free traffic, you're most likely going to be using YouTube, Facebook, Pinterest, and so on, right? So I see so many people, they ask that question or they get a course and they say, well, I'm struggling. I haven't made money yet. And I'm like, well, what have you done so far? What methods have you been using? Well, not, well, I don't really want to, I don't got a YouTube account. I really ain't on Facebook. All right, well, how, you know what I'm saying? Well, how are you, boom, because I know the course that you got, they taught you, how to use Facebook, Instagram, and so on, right? So a lot of times I see people, I'm telling you, they're into affiliate marketing because the earning potential is crazy with affiliate marketing. It is. It's super popular to make money online. But once people really get into it and they have no desire to actually put out content, whether it be on Facebook or whatever, YouTube, Like, that's why they fail, because they have no intentions of, they're just not into that whole marketing, promoting, you know, posting on Facebook and stuff. So my point is, before you buy any affiliate marketing course, ask yourself, am I ready to start promoting whatever it is I'm going to promote once I learn what's in this course, right? Because it's going to be free traffic or paid traffic, right? Ask yourself, am I willing to actually start, posting content? Am I ready to be consistent, right? Because it's not about, posting something once a week or once a month. Like, affiliate marketing is a real grind. So ask yourself, am I really on that, making YouTube videos or Facebook marketing and so on and so on? If the answer is yes, then go for it. There are tons of great affiliate marketing courses out there. Do your research, check out reviews or whatever, and just get started, because you can make money with affiliate marketing. Now, one of the best affiliate marketing programs, in my opinion, is Infinity Processing System. This actually teaches you how to make money with affiliate marketing using Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and free classified sites. If you're interested in that, check out the first link in the description of this video.